We're having our car wrapped at Protective Film Solutions. Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
It's a complete teardown right now, which is cool. Dave and I thought we'd come here because everyone knows that the 2020 Toyota Supra is really a BMW Z4. Z4?
BMW.
You say Z4 or Z4?
Z4.
Z4. We're in the United States. Yeah. It is a Z4. So how many BMW logos do you think we could find under all of the torn apart stuff?
There's gotta be a few of them.
You wanna go have a look?
Oh, let's go take a look.
Let's show them. And you guys, we wanna show you what the new color is gonna be. We're gonna reveal it. We're gonna reveal it before.
No games.
No games.
No games.
No. Oh, look who's here.
Oh, you guys are back.
What do you mean, you guys? It's more like you're actually here in the office working. Do you even do anything anymore? We know that these guys do all the work, right? Hey, did Danny ever look at? Does he check how much mileage is on his car before I took?
We didn't.
No.
I hope we didn't check this.
I hope he didn't check either. I honestly probably put like 250 miles
I
on his
actually
car.
don't drive the McLaren that hard, but it's Danny, so I just don't care.
Good to see you.
Let's see.
We're gonna come in here. Let's go. Come on, Dave. Keep coming, Dave. Come on.
Project investigation exposing the Supra as BMW origins.
Here we go. Whoa. We got bumpers. We got bumpers. Okay, first let's start with the bumper. Does this have BMW or is it Toyota? What?
The truth is, we didn't have to just wrap the car. We wanted to take the car apart just to expose the BMW logo. So it's a bit extra work. I apologize.
Oh, thanks.
But now let's start to look
That's right. We tore it apart just to look for BMW logos. So what's
So
the
first things
bumper?
first,
What?
the front bumper is a Toyota part. There's
It
no
is.
BMW
So
logo.
ding one. All
We
right.
got Toyota here.
Toyota here. Ding.
That's pretty good. We're doing pretty
Number
good here.
2. That's now. Does this count as the door or just the plastic insert for the
This is
door?
like the mechanism that holds the motors and stuff like that.
And look at this, black door jams, because we're doing a full color change here at Protective Film Solutions. This is going to be a completely different looking car when we're done with it. We will reveal the color we're going with, and I'll even explain why we're going with this color. It has meaning, it really does. What else you got?
We got BMW.
Bo, ding, ding, ding. First one for BMW.
Yeah.
BMW.
Oh, ding, ding, ding. Let's see that one. That one's like the full, like BMW logo right there.
Hey, come over
That
here.
one.
You're going too slow.
Oh, hold on. Ding, ding, ding. BMW. What we got? 3 for BMW. Oh, ding, ding, ding. BMW. Right there. What'd you find?
Right on the strut tower. Or strut.
What's this one? Oh,
BMW.
ding, ding, ding. BMW. I wonder what the brakes are. If the suspension is.
Let's go a bit deeper.
You gonna go deeper? Do you need muscles to pull that off?
I
Or
don't
you
want to
got
break the clips.
All right. What do we got
Do you want
underneath?
BMW?
What do we got in here?
Come on, baby.
Oh,
Oh,
ding,
oh.
ding, ding.
Actually, there's 6 of those. So that's 6. Ding, 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 ding.
BMW. Right there.
Oh, 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 oh. On the wire loom, BMW.
So far, this car is more BMW than Toyota. Oh, it is. It is on the brakes. Look at Dave. Look at this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, the truth is exposed.
BMW. Man, it's actually kind of fun. Like, look at the state of the car, you guys. Check this out. We have it totally torn down. All bumpers, all lights, all everything taken apart. Doors off. What do you think the doors? Do you have like anything else on the door, like the glass? What do we look? We just have plastic. Is there going to be any marks? I don't think there's anything on the glass. It's not like, oh, right here, right here, right here. What's this say? Can you read it?
It's just something in German. That's a fun fact. Do you know this car? Well, where's Toyota based out of? You guys at home? Where are they? Yes, they're in Japan. Where's this car built? It's not
actually
Japan.
it's made in Austria.
Austria, right next to the Z4.
Hold on, you know why we're actually doing this? We're doing a Toyota a favor. We're actually covering up all the BMW logos. Oh, snap!
True Toyota.
That's right.
No, you didn't.
What do you got? Do you have more back here?
Yes,
This
right here.
is made in Germany, so that means it's got to be BMW.
Made in
No,
Germany?
that's cheating. We need actual BMW logos right here.
Fair enough.
Mr. Fryer.
Yeah?
BMW.
Oh,
On
snap.
the rubber there.
Yep.
Did you see the big one?
What's the big one?
Oh yeah, Mitch is a BMW as well.
Yeah, that's pretty good. So we're gonna do blacked out door jams, complete color change. We love the red, however, we need it to be different. And everybody right now with these cars is doing, what do we got so far? We got highlighter yellow, that's been done. The Nardo gray's been done by Mark. Beautiful though, by the way. Like the obvious choice for this car because it looks so good. We need something a little more vibrant, so I'll give it to you that it's not a shade. What else have I seen? So obviously red, white, obviously Jay Stratty is not staying with the Vampire satin red. He's gonna go with a new color. I wonder what that would be. I'd actually be shocked if it wasn't purple. And a dead giveaway, I'm gonna let you guys know, all jokes aside, we're not wrapping the car purple. It is a much brighter color. What, you got more? Oh!
Battery.
BMW on the battery, bro. Dude, you're crushing it. Dave's taking them down.
It's my world's Waldo for fraud.
Exposing Toyota's fraud.
Oh, there's so much BMW underneath the car.
Hold on. Here we're going in.
Old man needs.
We're going in, guys.
On the exhaust.
Hold on. Let me crawl under here. All right, move. Oh yeah. You guys see it? Do you see the imprint right there? Boom.
All suspension components. It's all BMW, guys.
It's all BMW.
It's all BMW.
Well,
That was graceful.
I would say so far, based on our findings, this car is like 90% BMW. I don't know that the internet didn't know that, but we've confirmed it. I don't know anybody else who's torn one of these cars apart and specifically went hunting for all the BMW parts.
Yeah,
The more you know.
It's all BMW, except for the panels, like the body panels, some of the cosmetic items.
The more you know. I
it's
like
a
that.
BMW.
The more you know.
Toyota's like, can we make one thing, please? BMW's like, okay, make the airbag. You can make the airbag for the steering wheel, but we made the steering wheel.
Well, there's no guaranteeing that the airbag underneath this cover is actually Toyota.
Well, they don't make airbags. The third party does. And that was a big recall on them recently.
Yeah, so again, Dave's lying.
Put your hand up again.
Should we get to the...
Put your hand up again.
What?
Put your hand up again.
Oh! All jokes aside, should we get down to like revealing some of the color?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they can see that the door jambs are satin black. So some people ask us why we don't change the jambs out every time. And the reason why is you guys change your wraps out all the time.
Yes.
So if you want it quickly done, that means jambs need to be set in place. If they're satin black, it means you don't have to keep doing it.
Then we can change color and
Race
door jams,
livery,
go with
everything.
Yep.
Exactly.
Now, a little hint. The color of this car can be found on Danny's car.
Yeah.
Yes.
How's that?
Dave, move out of the way.
Any hints? Can you guys guess? What color on Danny's car would we be wrapping the Supra? Can you figure it out? Would we be going with a blue, kind of like Dave's Squadra Corsa? Are we gonna go a little crazy? Are we gonna go with pink? Would we do, obviously not black, would we do yellow or green? You guys are gonna find out here very, very soon. We're gonna go and get a piece of the wrap and we're gonna reveal it. But first, what are you doing?
I want more logos.
More Go Fast parts are in the works. We have a full titanium exhaust being made. We're gonna be getting that through Sheepy Race. They had to order all the materials. This is going to be, hands down, the most expensive Toyota Supra exhaust that I can think of to date that is on a street car. Of course, if it's a race product, you could probably maybe make it more Gucci, but this is going to be a full titanium all the way to the back, straight pipe Supra. Now, we got to get an update on that. When do you think we can get that done? Probably in the next week or so?
Yes. Yes.
As soon as this is done. When's this going to be done? Tell us. When's this going to be done? When's this going to be done? When's this going to be done?
Really?
No.
He said tomorrow, and then he said no.
All right, guys. Here's the deal. Damon, let's chat. What's up? The Supra has been a bad influence. Okay. As we know, it's all BMW.
True.
And that's not enough for Toyota. They've also influenced this Rolls Royce.
It did not.
Come see.
What's in the Rolls Royce?
Come with me, you guys.
For real?
You watching right now? Yeah. I'm talking to you. Come here. Come see this.
Yeah, we're talking to you.
Yeah, you.
Mr. BMW. Hold on. You got to bring them. It's a camera. It doesn't walk on its own. Yo, you really got a part on here?
Look at this.
No.
It's the Supra effect.
BMW's taking over the world.
Everything.
Everything. By the way, look at this Rolls Royce. It is sick. Wow, this thing is sick.
I like it.
Is that stock now?
No, the thing's modded.
What?
It's modded.
What?
It's modded.
As a McLaren current owner, I can appreciate that car.
Can we honor the fact that Protective Film Solutions is the best in the business?
Yeah.
Like, this is just another normal day here, and they have wide body, you know, what is this?
GT3, I think Club Sport.
GT3 Club Sport Porsche. This thing is nuts. Check this thing out. And then we have a Senna in the corner just casually hanging out. We have not one, but two Ferrari Pistas. We have this one right here, and we have another one in the corner. Then we have a 720S. We have a couple of the brand spanking new Porsches. You know, these are brand new. Both of these. Look at these. Brand new Porsches. We have, do you know what that is?
The tank.
Rezvani tank.
The Rezvani tank.
You know it's a tank, right?
It's built off a Jeep YJ platform. The door handles will shock you. There's a button for that. You press a button, it'll shock you in the door handles.
This way.
This thing.
Get out of here.
There's a switch in the dash.
Are you joking? For real? It'll shock you.
Yeah.
Why would it shock you? This thing's crazy looking. Do not touch window.
Will it shock right now?
Try it.
Look here. Put your camera
Yeah.
on the buttons up there.
No, you put the camera on
You
the
put the-
button.
I'm not gonna
You
go
put
in
the
there.
button. I'm not going in there.
Do you see it's fully armored?
Yeah, but it'll like, apparently this thing is like, oh, it is.
No, it's fully armored. It's everything, all glass, fully armored. 2-inch thick.
Apparently this thing like will shock you.
Yes, this is fully with shocking door handles and...
Can we turn it on and shock Dave?
No, we can't.
Come on, I just want just a little shock for Dave.
Can we attach it to parts of your body afterwards and shock it?
Absolutely.
Switches. Legit, it's like a James Bond car. You guys have switches to shock people, to attacks.
Yeah.
I'm getting in this thing. All right, we are now inside the bulletproof Rezvani tank. Ready for this?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, gee, I don't flash the light in the rearview mirror.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Okay, look, you guys, like Dave promised you, this thing is absolutely crazy. You got this, Dave? Hold this like this, right there. Tacks, shocking door handles, magnetic deadbolt, smoke screen's cool, front and rear blinding lights, and a strobe light. You weren't joking, this thing's deadly.
this
I'm getting out of here. Where's the switch for calling your mother-in-law? That's the scariest one. We are on the hunt to show the, what are you doing? You're always on your phone.
Oh, it's just the lottery I won. I won the lottery. Sweet. What's that? I'm rich now.
Why are you so interested in this? I'm trying to go to the wrap colors over on the wall.
Listen, man with no middle name, check this out. The
true.
new brake lights
Yes.
on the new Porsche are parallel.
Why do you care?
Perpendicular to the slats.
Why do you care
And
about this?
It's really interesting to see how they have these massive design changes at Porsche for 2021.
Well, hold on. You think that the engineers were like, that's it. We've finally made something that distinguishes this 911 from all other 911s.
German accent. Come here, you can do the German accent.
Okay, do the.
Achtung, good Fräulein. I have an idea.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
We're looking for colors.
Right behind you.
Yellow. This one's bright. This is almost the same yellow as this. You notice that? Look at that.
Well, hold on.
That's pretty darn close. Are we going with orange again? Are we going with blue? What are we doing? What is the color we have to reveal to the crowd, the audience,
We'll show
the people?
them. Seeing is believing.
Your family,
And you
the
ain't seen nothing
familia,
yet.
the Didi familia.
Bellagio. Papa Jacotto.
Okay, pick a damn
Papa
color.
John's Pizza.
Hey, what do you think? Come here. What do you think of the color we chose for the Supra?
It's very bright.
I know.
I get where the merch came from now.
Ah!
Give it away. Don't show them yet. We're not ready for that.
We're
Get out of
ready.
here.
We're ready. Show them the wrap. You don't need to
let's see
protect it.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Now you guys get why it's... Ah! This is called Avery Gloss Grass Green. Say it 3 times fast.
Avery Gloss Grass Green.
Say it fast.
I can't say it fast. Avery. My brain works this slow inside my head right now. Avery Gloss Grass Green.
No,
Gloss
try.
Grass Gleam. Ah!
This is it, guys. Car's gonna go from red to green. It's like Christmas. New car, Christmas colors.
Christmas colors.
Couple of months away.
I think this is one of the sexiest colors we've ever picked. Ever.
I just like it because it's different. We've done a lot of stuff. We've done orange, we've done blue, we've done grays, right? We haven't done green yet.
This is
I
the
like green.
first.
I'm a big fan of green. And this is a sick green. This is really, 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 really bright. And they just did an Aventador for a client, and the Aventador turned out so amazing.
Same color.
So the exact same color. So like, stick it over there. So just picture this. I don't know if you can picture this, but
Picture this.
picture this on that. It's gonna be bright green. That's all I can say.
Yeah,
now you get
sick.
why the merch matches the wrap of the Supra.
Now, beat the crowd because we only have so much of this left. When
That's
this
right.
drops, it's gonna be gone.
We have a decent amount left because we haven't really done a hard launch.
We have not.
We actually didn't really tell anyone.
We went real
that-
soft on this
We
one,
went
you guys.
soft. But the reality is, but no, we're really excited about this. We're gonna have this. There are gonna be some graphics that we're not gonna tell the audience. All you need to know is right now, the car is gonna go green. Now, we need to go because we have another surprise. Where is your Squadra Corsa?
I can hear it right now outside.
Is that it out front?
It's out front.
Okay guys, that's it for the wrap. That's it for this car right here at PFS. Let's go check on Dave's car.
Buy a BMW.
Bye. Bye BMW. Got your car?
I got my car.
You got his car?
Yeah.
Good. When's this gonna be done?
Thank you so much.
When is it gonna be done? You guys have asked me
Can't
like
leave you
5
hanging
times
because I'm not
now.
letting go.
Oh, here.
I know we need
This is a weird little
We need a
triangle.
commitment.
It's gonna be done.
We need a commitment. I want a commitment.
2 days.
Want
Give me 2
commitment?
days.
2 days.
2 days. Yeah, now 3 days.
Bye. Oh!